Hello everyone, this is TJ here, and let's talk about today's class. In today's class, I'm gonna give you 3 simple steps to be fluent in English. I said 3 simple steps I'm gonna give you. So please guys, watch this video till end so you will get the idea about how to be fluent in English. See, what we do normally, we just do some reading, writing stuff, grammar rules and everything, right? I explained you in my previous video, but those things are not enough. So what we need to do exactly to be fluent in English, just the first thing we have to think about, that is your self motivation. Your self motivation is very important to do anything in life, not only English communication, not only English speaking. Just you need to do anything in your life. If you want sudden change in your life, then you need to go through a self motivation. Means you have to increase your self motivation to do anything. All right, so let's go to those 3 steps. First of all, listening. My first step towards fluency in English is listening. All right, now what we have to listen. Normally people tell us to listen English and all the things, and people tell us many times, right? But what exactly we have to listen? So guys, you have to listen which is very easy to understand. Did you get my point? Listening, whatever you are listening, that should be very easy, which is very audible. You can listen it easily and you can shortly understand it. That's why if you listen very tough something, some tough audio clips or podcast, then certainly will not understand and you will get bored and you will be dismotivated from this, and you will leave the desire to learn to be fluent in English. So guys, better way, you listen that which is very simple to understand. At least you must understand 50% of it. Then definitely it will be very useful to be fluent in English. What exactly you have to do? See, and listening one time is not enough. It is certainly not enough. Listening one time is certainly not enough. You need to listen the same which you listened many times. Maybe every day 2 to 3 times, 4 times, again next day 2 to 4 times, again next day 3 to 4 times. Like this you have to listen for long, until and unless you be automatic in that. Means you need to until you're going to tell that, till that you have to listen. Okay, listening. And then let's go to reading. Second step, reading. Now what you got to read? Newspaper? Very hard magazines? What? So simple way guys, you have to read which are very simple books, story books. All right, otherwise you go to kids books, you just go to kids books, those who are like maybe 5th standard, 6th standard, which are very easy book or story books or textbooks which contains very simple phrases. For speaking fluent English or for beginners, you have to go through those books and you have to read those books many times. Not one time, I said. Not one time. Okay, read those kind of books all the time. Simple books, right? Story books you have to read many times until you are able to tell the story clearly and confidently and automatically. Till that you have to read, right? Means that is you have to learning, right? Not only learning, you have to go to learning. And then the third step is repetition. What you have to repeat, right? What you have listened and what you have read, You have to repeat that. You have to repeat that. And when you can repeat it, after listening one time or after reading one time, no way. You have to list whatever you have listened and what you have read, that you have to repeat many times. Means if you want to repeat, then you have to listen many times and you have to read many times. Same stuff I said, same stuff. Alright, if you do that, this is the simple process. Listen, read and repeat. Simple formula. Listen, read and repeat. And what you need to do? Understandable, audible, right? And there should be some easy phrases, basic phrases would be there. Did you get my point? What I'm trying to say? 3 simple steps. That is a process. If you do it, no problem. Listening, reading and repetition. Listening, reading and repetition. Again and again and again. Go on. Right? If you do it, then definitely one day you'll get there and you'll be very fluent on your own. Alright guys, so see, please do subscribe my channel for more updates and do share to your all friends. Okay guys, thank you very much. Take care. Bye everyone.